Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be just a little bit different. I'm on a mission today to go and explore a waterfall that I've heard of but have never been to. They say it's one of the most remote waterfalls in Pennsylvania, and we're going to go check that out. So we start our journey here at Cinemahoning as we crest over the mountain here, and you can see the little village of Cinemahoning there. We're going to take a little trip down around and take a quick peek at how high the water is. It has rained a lot recently. And then we're going to head on down Route 120 to a little village called Keating. And Keating is where the east branch and the west branch of the Susquehanna come together to form the greater Susquehanna River. And so right there at Keating, we're going to head up over Keating Mountain Trail. There's some beautiful spots we're going to stop and take a look at. And then we're going to go to the trailhead of Round Island Falls. And from there, it's a little over a mile walk down into the woods to the waterfalls. And that's what we're going to try and do. So I hope you come along and enjoy this little trip that we're going to go on together. Let's get started. That's the west branch of the Susquehanna River, about 2.5 miles before it reaches the east branch of the Susquehanna River, right down there in Keating. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful. You can see the Milk Chocolate River down there. We had quite a rainstorm the last couple of days, and more coming today, they say. What a beautiful spot. a pretty old cemetery. We're going to take a little hike. I've always wanted to go down here. Heard of it. Round Island Falls Trail. They say it's a little over a mile down there. Pretty sure I can get down. I'm not sure about getting back out. But let's take a walk. Let's see what we can see. It's supposed to kick up a big storm today. Kind of hoping I can get down here and out of here before that. We shall see. It's a big old tree. I don't know how much longer that one will stay standing. It's big. Easily 4 foot across someplace. I think I'll go low, even though the water might be higher than usual. It's hard to say. We should be getting pretty close. I made it down here. Let's look up and see what this is all about. Oh my goodness. Well, I sure hope you liked that video. That trip down to Round Island Falls was absolutely stunning. I highly recommend it. If you go, make sure that you go hydrated, maybe take a snack with you, and plan on about, give yourself an hour down and maybe an hour and a half back up. And plan on staying a few moments while you're down there to take it all in. It's absolutely beautiful. And if you do go, you might consider going after a fairly heavy rain, because usually this waterfall does not run like it's running right now. And so you want to make it worth your trip down there. I'll leave directions in the description, and I'll give you GPS coordinates for the actual falls too. It'll take a while to get there, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. Well, if you did like this video, take a minute, hit the old like button. It really does help us a lot. We sure appreciate that. And until next time, why don't you get out there?